This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Steam. So I'm right here on the main Steam downloads page. So this page is kind of buried in the site, so it's a little bit tricky to find. You can find it here at this URL that I'm highlighting right here. I'll put that URL as a link in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. So there's a ton of information on this page, but you already know that you want Steam, so all that's left to do is click this install Steam icon right here. Now it will identify your operating system. It knows that I'm on a Mac, as you can see right here. If you want another version, they've even got like a Steam on Chromebook version right here. If for instance you want the Windows version, need.execute exe file, you can click right there. But if you're on Windows, it will identify that and you'll have the Windows symbol here. So I'm on a Mac, so all that's left to do is we click install Steam, and just like that you see the icon goes flying up in the top right corner, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has in fact been downloaded. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer in your downloads location. For example, I'm on Google Chrome on this Mac, so mine goes directly to my downloads folder. Now your downloads location might be different, but you'll find the installer and just install Steam directly from there. That's the really easy bit. But hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Steam on your computer useful. If you have found this video helpful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.